Alright guys, it's one of those days again. It's just one of those days where you don't want to wear, sorry. Today is May 28th, 2020 on a Friday.
It's 2021, Tyler.
What?
You said 2020, not 2021.
Oh. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is May 28th, 2021 on a Friday. Yay, school's out. And, severe thunderstorms are possible again. So hopefully we'll get some warnings out of this. An isolated tornado is very possible today. So we might get some tornado warnings for you guys to finish off the May tornado season. Our tornado season in Virginia is like from like late May to like September, some stupid like that. We're dumb. So as a very professional storm chaser, I am joined by
Creamer.
the worst part is I'm the drummer and I can't do that. So what do you think is going to happen regarding what the hazardous weather outlook said?
Well, actually, I really don't know.
Okay.
I mean, I'm expecting at least one SVA today and maybe an SVR, but if we get a TOR, then that would be sick.
That would be sick. So yeah, here's the thing. They didn't say like an isolated tornado couldn't be rolled out. They said a tornado's possible. Oh my god, your nose is huge. Alright. Alright. Oh yeah, he does. You guys have probably seen his videos that he's been posting. Yeah, he has one of my... Wait, what? Ah, what was that? Oh, beach hazard. Damn it. Alright guys, I guess we will see you if anything weird happens. Yeah!
At 4:37 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Fort Union, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts of 40 miles per hour are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Louisa, General, Havensville, Palmyra, Cliff, Lakeside Village, Montpelier, Kent Store, Duncan, from lightning. Strong gusts are capable of knocking down tree limbs, small or weakened trees, and blowing around trash cans.
Here we go, guys! Be like, oh, it's starting to rain. I'm in the rain. I'm in the rain. I'm in wetness.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Hanover!
Where?
Severe thunderstorm warning for Hanover!
Hanover, I think we can get that.
Around 5:05 p.m. Nights around 5:10.
For Carolina and Hanover.
Degrees.
Oh man, I'm not sure. Do we get that? I hope so.
Okay. This thing likes to get screwy whenever it's near electronics, so for anyone who's wanting to buy a WR120, just know that.
If you want to buy any radio, know that. Oh, look at the kittens. Okay, it's not bad anymore.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, northeastern Spotsylvania County and central Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Spotsylvania, Oregon, 11 miles southwest of Fredericksburg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows tornadoes may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Spotsylvania and Massaponax around 5:45 p.m. Fredericksburg around 6 p.m. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include Thornburg and Snell. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in
Woo!
has issued a
Tornado warning!
in Central Virginia.
Davidson! No, I'm just kidding.
Gum Spring.
Ah, guys, I am so sorry. This storm wore down my nerves and freaking, I don't know. I wasn't ready for it. I wasn't even prepared. Heck, the freaking, the IM bot, went off after the first header tone came off. Thank gosh, I kept this thing on.
If you cannot find shelter in a building, a vehicle.
Holy crap. Alright, this is kind of cool. I got 1.62.475.
2.90, Scottsville 4.09, Lawrenceville 2.31, Seagull 4.36, Cartersville 2.21, Greenville 4.70, Richmond and Wisdom 4.59, LaFox 7.88, Maxwell County 2.31, Concordia 3.26, and Richmond Western River forecast for the next 3 days. Saturday 4. Hazardous weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for Central Virginia, East Central Virginia, Eastern Virginia, and North Central Virginia. Tonight, scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected this evening. Some of these storms will be strong to severe with damaging wind gusts the primary threat, although an isolated tornado can't be ruled out. Around trash cans, potted plants, lawn furniture, and other light outdoor objects.
Issue gun.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Charles County in southern Maryland, Eastern Stafford County in northern Virginia, King George County in central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, northeastern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Massaponax to near Potomac Creek to King George, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Fredericksburg, La Plata, King George, Dahlgren, Quantico, Fairview Beach, Potomac Creek, Nanjemoy Creek, Popes Creek, Aquia Creek, Port Tobacco River, Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Falmouth, Paspansy, Port Tobacco Village, Stones Corner, Wheatonville, and Ironsides. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.